Hello, and welcome to another awesome edition of Philip's Podcast, or P Squared. Yeah, buddy. Gonna take it old school today.
Oh my gosh!
We're gonna continue our huge series of podcasts to get you ready for the FCAT, because you do not want to have epic fail like this runner did when you take your FCAT. So, let's chop to it. Today's podcast is going to be on problem square root 169. Rational number, perfect square. Yeah, buddy, plus 20. Da bears. On the FCAT, the first thing you need to do is red light, stop, and read the problem. Yellow light, slow down, underline, box, circle, important information. Please underline vocabulary word function or circle it on your paper. And if you would, please underline the question. Or you may circle the question. Notice I put these in different colors because basically they're asking me is which of the following answers could be true. So we're not looking for the false one, we're looking for the true answer. Before we hit green light, let's strap ourselves into our time machine and head back in time. We've traveled back in time to when we covered Chapter 2 and Chapter 4. We talked about functions, linear equations, slope, whether it be negative or positive, a y-intercept, slope-intercept form, standard form, rise over run. Nice vocabulary. Da bears! A quick review from previous chapters. This would be a positive slope. Mr. Phillips loves that part of the roller coaster. This would be your y-intercept, or starting point. On your paper, if you would, please label the y-axis and the x-axis. Alright guys, let's take a look at choice F. Choice F says for every girl, which is going to be represented by Y in the class, there are twice as many boys. Boys will be X. Girls are Y, boys are X. On your paper somewhere, please write, for every one girl, there is twice as many boys. On your paper somewhere, please write every one girl, twice as many boys. So visual people, for every one girl, there's going to be twice as many boys. Twice the number 1, 1 times 2 is 2. So basically for every one girl, 2 boys. So if I have another girl in the class, there's going to be twice as many boys, 2 boys for every one girl. Now you should be able to see for every 2 girls, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 boys. Twice 2 is 4. So if I have 2 girls, I should have 4 boys. Y is girls, X is boys. So let's take a look at our graph. This is going to represent every 2 girls. So if I had 2 girls, look at your picture, you should have 4 boys. So I go straight across for 2 girls, and I go down, but the graph is telling me there's only 1 boy. So obviously, this is a fallacious, nice vocabulary word, Mr. Phillips, false statement, because for 2 girls, I'm supposed to be able to go to 4 boys. This clearly is not 4 boys, so please cross out choice F. Alrighty guys, take a look at choice G. The Atlanta airport has 3 planes landing for every 6 planes taking off. So my planes landing are going to be Y. Planes taking off are going to be X. So every 3 planes landing, I have 6 planes taking off. So here's my 3 planes landing. I have 6 planes taking off. So for every 3Y, I should have 6x. So let's go look at 3, y axis. So right here would be 3. That would be my 3 planes landing. I go over and down. I'm supposed to have 6 planes taking off. But notice right here, if I go 3 planes over and then down, this would be 1.5 or 1.5. That's not right because I'm supposed to be over here at 6. So again, fallacious statement. Cross out G. It does not work. Take a look at choice H. For every raffle ticket sold, the cost is $1. On your paper, please write 1 raffle ticket is Y. On your paper, please write $1 equals X. So if for every 1 raffle ticket, I make $1. So that tells me then, if I have 2 raffle tickets, I should make $2. So if my Y is 2, my X should be 2. Take a look at your graph. 2 raffle tickets, so far so good. If I go across and then down, I end up at 1. So this graph is telling me 2 raffle tickets is $1. That is a fallacious statement because 2 raffle tickets should be $2. Just wanted to make sure you're still awake. Guys, let's take a look at choice I. Logic would tell us that I has to be the correct answer, but we're going to try it, and you're going to try it on FCAT just to double check and make sure. On your paper, please write Sam's rent is Y. Please write Carol's mortgage is 1/2 of Sam's equals X. On your paper, please write Sam's rent equals Y. And please write Carol's mortgage is 1/2 of Sam's, which is going to be X on your paper. All right, let's take a look. We're going to say that Sam's rent is 2. Carol's mortgage has to be 1/2. If I go straight across and go down, I get to 1. 1/2 of 2 is 1. That works. But on the FCAT, try all your other possible answers to double check. So let's say Sam's rent is 4. Go straight across and down, we get to 2. Is 2 1/2 of 4? Yes, it is. Try one more. You should get the point by now. If Sam's rent is 6, go straight across and go down. Ask yourself, is 3 1/2 of 6? Yes, it is. So I would be our perfect or precise answer. On your paper, please make sure that you bubble in choice I for problem number 13. All right, guys, I hope this podcast has helped you understand how to do a problem similar to that. And if you would, please put your packet back on the counter and return your iPod. Thanks.